Okay, part 4, just to show the Dakota gauges, Dakota RTX gauges, completely installed. We have integrated the Dakota boxes into the factory wiring harness using a Deutsch 12 8-way connector. Mapping that out with help from Texas wiring specialists. We have the analog turn signals left and right, high beams, brake light, and fuel level, which the Dakota accepts multiple signal types for calibration. The rest of the data will come via CAN bus from the MAXXECU on the controller area network. And we had this super nice 3D printed mount designed and built to place inside the fog light switch hole. So this dual panel fog light switch hole now is occupied by a 3D printed piece that supports the Blink Marine keypad. So it's nice, clean, OEM-like. So when we get in and we start the truck, we'll hit R for reverse. That'll put us in reverse. Put on the brake. Drive puts us in drive. We have a manual neutral override. Neutral's rarely needed when the vehicle's running. Park button, and then this mode button. All of these are programmable, but the idea is for the mode button, for push and hold, will activate the sequential mode and keep it in sequential, but that's up for debate. So much flexibility. Also, this button arrangement seemed to make sense, but I need to drive the truck a little bit and decide if that's where I want to move these buttons around or if this is the way I like it. I might switch D down here and put the checkered flag button up top because it just looks cooler. Yeah, but that's the update. Obviously, sequentials here, all wired in. Everything's been bench tested, so this just got migrated from my workbench out to the truck, including the gauges. Like everything worked, including the transmission, from a controller area network connectivity, including all the user-defined PIDs I wanted here that are available through the RTX BIM. I'm going to show you under the dash real quick. Probably not the best view, but you can see the BIM module and the Dakota main and the Blink Marine. Probably can't really see the wiring, but it's all under there, tucked away, mounted correctly. Really excited. We're just a few hours away from being able to fire up the truck and get it idling and running. Then once we have all the systems validated with the engine, then we can let it cool, fix any leaks or issues that we came up with, which there could be some, and then move on to filling the transmission within the correct temperature range. And then once that's filled, we can put this guy on up in the air and go through the gears. And then it's time to street drive it and street tune it with Will It Racing. Now we're pretty much in the home stretch here. Should have a running, driving 8 HP truck with a sequential in just a few weeks. And we'll make a lot of more professional YouTube content to showcase the truck, as I think this 8 HP swap in OBS trucks is going to become the gold standard of how you really enjoy these things. So much invested in the engine and the electronics. Why not have a real modern transmission behind it? Yeah, 8L80, 10L80 I could get behind. That's a really good transmission. But anything short of 8 HP or 10L80, I just don't see the point unless you're on a shoestring budget. But that's just my opinion. Some people will swear by 3 usable gears on the street. To me, it's misery. Oh, that's it. Signing off for now. Hopefully part 5 will be driving this truck for you guys.